I'm out here at Robert Trent Jones Golf Club late in the evening with Macken. Cameron, you're here from England and you've been here since April. How's it been going for you so far?
It's been going great so far. Yeah, it really has been a great journey, a great learning experience as well.
What club are you from back in England?
So the club that I'm from in terms of playing would be Kirby Muxloe Golf Club, and in terms of working I'm from Lindale Golf Club.
Lindale. You know, everybody knows Robert Trent Jones Golf Club. What the staff here, what are the staff like here at RTJ?
The staff are great, the assistants are great, they're always out here working really hard, as well as Scott of course himself, the superintendent.
Yeah.
And then all of the other staff, we've got the course staff, and then we've got some Mexicans that work here on the course, and they're out here working really hard.
Is that surprised you? All the assistants are out here. I see them out here late this evening.
Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say so because I'd say it's slightly different to back home, where sometimes they will be inside and what have you.
Yeah, and
doing stuff on the computers. But these guys are out here, hands on and getting involved.
And what about, like, what have you been doing?
In terms of what I've been doing, everything you can imagine really. We have been given a lot of responsibility. We've been spraying. I've been spraying tees a lot.
Yeah.
Fairways, approaches, greens, everything you can imagine.
Some people give me a reputation saying, "Oh, the boys, they work too many hours and they're raking bunkers." How many bunkers have you raked?
I've raked a fair few, but I'd say there's been a great variety. You put me on essentially all sorts of apparatus and jobs.
Yeah, and I mean, look at the place. I mean, it's amazing, isn't it?
It's great.
It's
nice
crazy.
evening for it as well.
Nice evening out here. Look, I mean, it's so pretty out here. It's got to be fun to work out here. I mean, what sort of temperature is it here today?
Today it got up to a high of 93, so it's pretty warm. We had the hoses out, cooling off the greens, and
for European purposes, what's that in centigrade?
Well, that'd be around 36 degrees.
36.
Yep.
Bit of humidity. No bother for you?
Yeah, there was a bit of humidity. So,
yeah,
it took me a while to get used to this, but I'm getting used to it now.
We talked about sprays and how much they spray, but now do you understand why?
I understand why, absolutely.
Yeah, the disease pressure.
Well. Exactly that, yeah.
And
with the humidity and what.
And then have you got some big storms here?
We have had a few big storms as well. Yeah.
Yeah. So talk to the guys back home, like in Leicester, about coming out here. Can you do it? I mean, it's a big course, big operation.
If you're keen for this kind of industry, I'd say 100% take the opportunity. If you like travel, if you like meeting new people, if you like the game of golf, and if you like the industry. Is this
going to help you back home? Is it going to help you, like the pressure?
I think it definitely is. I've been exposed to a lot of different parts of the industry, and I feel very well practiced in all of them so far.
Right. I heard
not only that, also all of the connections that you make. I think will help out a lot.
And then the club paid for you, you're telling me, to go out to LA, 4-hour flight out to LA to volunteer for the US Open.
That's exactly right. Yeah, Scott was great, and he organised for myself and one of the other interns to go out to LA and work at LACC.
That's crazy, isn't it, to do that?
Yeah, it was amazing. It was really good. And yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed that experience. It was great for learning.
And now, when you finish in October, where are you going?
I'm going there to LACC. They like having me there, and I like being there, so I'm going to go back there and learn even more. Even more.
And is that kind of different going out to a warm season golf course?
I'd say it definitely is different. There's definitely differences in terms of the way that they treat the grass. So yeah, it's going to be different, and I'm looking forward to the challenge.
Good people out there as well?
Great people, yeah.
Did that surprise you, like before you came over, as to how receptive people are to you and how willing they are to teach you?
Generally, I always like to expect the best from people, so I was hoping for essentially good hosting, and that's exactly what I've experienced. Everyone has been great, very kind, very helpful.
How can we get more British young people out here? What can we do? What's the secret? I mean, you got good housing, you got good wages, would you say?
Yeah, absolutely.
How's your wages? I mean, is it good?
Wages have been great. Yeah,
really?
Wages have been great. Housing's been amazing. That just recently got refurbished prior to myself and the other interns.
Yeah.
Coming here to the States, so yeah, I can't complain about that.
I mean, you think about all the good guys that are back in the UK, over in Europe, that would really benefit from this.
Yeah, they all would. Definitely.
You see that now as to how much respect you get and confidence?
Exactly that, yeah, 100%. And as I say, doing a little bit of travel and having that bit of responsibility to look after yourself, it doesn't only teach you stuff about the golf course, it also teaches you about just general living, and I think I've improved in that area.
That's awesome. I mean, I've got to get more, Scottish, English, Welsh, Irish guys or girls. I mean, we were just talking earlier that Laura from Italy, the Ryder Cup, interned here at RTJ.
Yeah, exactly that, and I was amazed to see that. She's going to be as I say, hosting the Ryder Cup very soon, which is very impressive, and yeah, hopefully I'll follow in those footsteps.
Absolutely. Well, listen, thank you, Cam, so much.
Thank you, Mike.
I love being out here in the late evening. It's so picturesque. It's crazy. So enjoy the rest of your time here, and we'll look forward to seeing you out in LA soon.
I will do, and thank you to you, Mike, as well. You've been great.
Awesome. Take care.